severely been hurt because of a cell phone in their lap. Okay? And that's not just texting, that's talking on the phone, whatever, because legally, keep your brains about you, stay off that phone. If you're in a car with somebody and they can't get off that phone, let them know. Don't sit there and be silent, because it could be your life that they take.
Tonight is going to be great. Me and my two best friends are going to teach these freshman cheerleaders that the sophomore class is not going to make it easy on them. We went to one of their houses. We're going to roll the yard. Oh no, her dad is here. I yelled at my friends and we all jump in my car and take off. That was close. I look in my rearview mirror and see headlights.